Now here we will study about the various functions of the blood. That what are the main important functions of the blood in our body. As we have studied the parts, constituents of the blood, how does the blood clot, where does the blood, that is the blood vessels. Now what are the main important functions of the blood? Important function, transportation of respiratory gases. As you know, in the blood RBCs are there. With the help of RBCs, it transport oxygen from the lungs to the different parts of the bodies and carbon dioxide from different parts of the bodies back to the lung. So it is the help in transporting it. And without it, we are not able to survive. Respiration is the essential characteristic feature. क्या सांस लेने में हम लोग जिंदा रह सकते नहीं रह सकते. So it is very important that the gases are supposed to be transportation. Whatever the food we eat, it is digested, absorbed in our intestine. It is absorbed in the intestinal wall, and then from the intestinal wall, through the blood, it is transported to each and every cell of our body. The food which is absorbed in our intestinal wall, from there it is transported to each and every cell of the body which our need require. That's why transportation is essential, then our cell is able to function properly. Transportation of waste product. Each and every cell respire. Each and every cell take the digested food material. Then each and every cell, they also give out the waste product. Lysosomes, you've already studied the cell structure present. They are the suicidal bags, other phagocytosis process occur. They are the excretory substances. They are supposed to be given out of the body. Carbon dioxide is given out. The uric acid or the urea is formed when the protein amino acids are formed. Amino acids, they changes into the amino acid, the end product of the protein. Later it changes into the nitrogenous waste product, uric acid and the urea. And it is dissolved in the blood and filtered in the kidney and is given out of the body. So waste products are also transported and carried out of the body with the help of blood only. Distribution of hormone. Hormones are the various chemical substances which are secreted by our body through the various endocrine glands. The place where they are directly poured in the blood, and then along with the blood they are carried to that part of the body where they are supposed to be active. Right? Next, that is the protection. It protects our body. Naturally, the protection, WBCs, they fight against infection. If any germs or any other outside that enters in our body due to the infection occurs, then already a defense mechanism present in our body, that these cells fight against the germs, or the germs which enters out of the body, they are termed as antigen. The fight antibodies and antigens fight against them. If the antigens win, we suffer from the disease. If the antibodies win, we remain hale and hearty, cured and not suffered by the disease. That's why vitamin C, it improves our immunity power of the body. Blood clotting. Blood clotting is essential, and that is present due to the presence of the blood platelets. The process initiated. And blood platelets, they are the constituents of the blood. Right? Regulation of body temperature. As you know already, the temperature, because all biological activities, they takes place at optimum temperature. If the temperature decreases or increases, then various physiological activities which are taking in place on the body, they are supposed to be affected. So that's why whenever you suffer from any, if you have a high fever, then doctor first give you the medicine to lower down your temperature. First, temperature is lowered down so that entire enzyme system in the body does not fail and the person is not able to survive at all. If the temperature, higher temperature remains for the longer time in our body, it is dangerous for our body. It should not be there. Immediately for the temper, कुछ नहीं हो तो ये कहते हैं कि आप ठंडे पानी की पट्टी रखिए जिससे कूल रहे. कुछ नहीं तो आप ठंडे पानी से पेशेंट को नहलाइए अगर बहुत तेज बुखार है. Anyway, temperature has to be cooled down. Because if the temperature is not cooled down, then the entire body system, enzyme system in our body is going to be failed, and then it's very serious condition. We are not able to survive at all. And there is salt and water balance. Intake of the salt, sodium, potassium, calcium, ions are there. Whatever our body, mineral salts, inorganic substances are there, which our body requested. Unwanted substances, they were taken by the blood, filtered through the kidney and given out of your body. So there are some of the most important functions which takes place by the blood in our body. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you, children.